Hello, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nate, but I mainly go by Kuma Crochets. Hopefully I can share what I've learned about crocheting Amigurumis to help you with your plush projects. If you enjoy free patterns or crochet content, please check out my website in the description below. My website has all my socials from Instagram, Twitter, and Discord to stay updated. I'll also be linking all the tools and materials that I use for my projects, which are also in the description, from yarn, hooks, and accessories. Let's get to it. Alright, so when it comes to crochet hooks, I like to use the Clover set. This is my personal set right here, and I use this for most of my projects. Any crochet hooks work. I personally prefer to just get higher quality ones with silicone grips. My personal favorite is the 4mm for my projects, but you can use any other sizes. Also, if you have a Daiso near you, if you live in the US or in any country that has it, feel free to check those out, as they do have some hooks over there that I used to use when I started. For yarn, what I like to use is paint box yarn. They are very nice. It is really great for plush making as it doesn't create any fuzz. They come in different colors. I collect a lot of them, so I have too many, but they're really nice. They're sold on Lovecrafts, and I have an affiliate link down below in the description, so please check it out. Here are the many colors that are out there. Very vibrant, very nice. Go check them out. I like to just use this normal pair of scissors. These are sewing scissors that I found from a craft store near me. So yeah, feel free to use anything you'd like. Anything that's sharper on the edge may help you with precise cuts. For tapestry needles, you can use any tapestry needle that will fit your yarn. These are some examples right here in different sizes. Depends on your project. You can also even use this large one that I got here. This is used when you're trying to stitch from one side to another without having to stretch out your project. But what I personally like to use the most are these bent needles right here. These will help you with any sort of sewing when it comes to any tight corners or anything that you may struggle with. You should use these when trying to get into areas that are very difficult to get into. So check out these bent needles. For stitch markers, what I like to use is anything that is available online. These are my personal favorites. They have the ability to lock on. There are other ones out there that don't have the ability to lock. These ones are the examples, but they work just as well. You can also use yarn as a way to keep track of your stitches, but I like to use these. I keep these all in a jar right next to me.